Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my new vacuum. Here it is, it's a numatic NRV 200 from version 3. This won't be starring in any of the Versus videos, it won't be in my bedroom, it'll be just sat here with that's been sold on the scooter and all these bungee ties. In the shed. So I've got 4 sheds, by the way, 2 down there, head and roof, 2 up here. So let's just untake the clips. It's very dirty. My dad got it as from work because I think it was broken or something. Doing, I think. Got a paper bag in there, filter. Just turn it over. Got all your motor under there. It didn't come with any fancy gizmos, small attachments or anything. So I'm just going to skip ahead into the video. That's what it came with. Skipping into the video until I've got it working. Let's go.